Good morning, guys. Ron here once again. Just want to do a quick video. I don't know if I had already covered it or not. But why we always initiate our positions in the money as opposed to out of the money. And I know a lot of you guys like to say, well, I can only afford out of the money stuff, and that's why I keep buying out of the money. Well, let me tell you this. Just don't buy that stock or option and go find something that you can afford to buy in the money. If you can't afford $200 or $300 or $500 position, then you shouldn't be trading in the first place, because this is what happens, and this is why you keep blowing up your account. So what you need to focus on is in the money positions, and this is why. And you'll notice this if you review your trades. If you're not familiar with deltas, this is how you can use the deltas to kind of understand where you will stand once you reach your target area, etc. So, for example, if you put $500, $585 to work here at the 162s, notice how the delta is at $1, minus 1. Similarly, on the opposite side, on the call side, you'll see, let's say you go to the 148, you're at 80 cents, and then they get bigger as the deeper in the money you go. So this is how this works, and this may not be accurate so much here because it is pre-market, but let's just, for giggles, let's just say it is $1.87, and these are correct as well. This is how this works. So if you put this one to work, let's say you get the 160s, just to be fair, okay? You put the 160s to work, you buy these for $390, you buy one contract. You're like, oh, but you know what, Ron, I can afford these. I can buy 3 of these for $90, so let me just buy 3 of these. Well, this is what happens. The delta tells you how much this is going to change for every dollar move in or against your direction, basically. So if it goes in your direction, for every $1 move, if the stock NVIDIA now is at 157, moves $1 your way, let's say you bought these, this is going to gain 11 cents per dollar. So if you bought 3, let's say you're making $33 for every dollar move. So NVIDIA needs to move to 156.21 for you to be up $1, basically. Well, 33 cents. So if you have 3, you have 33 cents every dollar move. So it needs to move $3 before you're up basically a whole full dollar. Whereas opposed to here, NVIDIA can move down, one contract can move down to 156 and you're already up 87 cents. By the time it is at 156, this is probably 0.9, 0.95 or something like that. And now you're getting closer and closer to $1. So every dollar move is going to be on par with the actual symbol. And that's where you want to be. That's where you want to live. Because that is easier to control, that is easier to profit from, as opposed to making pennies down here. Because the only way to profit here is when the stock is getting ready to pull a massive, massive move. And if you have a lot of them. So if you have 100 of these, and then this stock moves $2, $3, or $5, and this comes into in the money, and now they're worth 60 cents. The deltas are 60 cents or 87 cents, etc. That's when you're gonna make a lot of money with these. But a lot of guys have noticed that, man, why am I only making $30 or $60 when this thing moved $5? This is why. The delta tells you. Depending on how far you went out there, the delta tells you how much you're looking to make per every dollar move. So on these ones, for example, you'll make a penny. These things will go up by a penny for every dollar move until they move up to the next class, and so on and so on. You see how slowly these trickle. See how fast these ones move up. See here, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 88, 88, 90s, basically. You know what I mean? These are basically what you're looking to make for every dollar move. And that's why I always say, get in the money first. When the VIX is at a good point, you can always supplement with out of the money. But that is for larger accounts. Normally, I would tell you guys, just focus on growing your account. Keep your accounts growing, and that's it. Do not do any heroics. Stick to the plan and keep your account growing. I will see you guys on the next one. If you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now. And check the links below so that you can learn how to trade better in 2019. I'll see you guys on the next one.